There are times where you can screencast and give directions from your laptop, and others where you need to do that from a device like an iPad. Here's how you can use QuickTime to screencast your iPad. First, I'll open QuickTime and do File, New Movie Recording. In our other tutorials, we learned how you can use this to create videos of yourself. But this time, I'm going to select the caret beside the drop-down of the recorder and select my iPad as the source. Now that I've done that, I can simply record a video via QuickTime, open any apps, show kids how to do something like navigate Drive. Hey, I need you to go to your shared with me section. That's the two people down here at the bottom. Now that they know how to do that, I can stop this recording and I can go ahead and save that to my computer for later use. Now that I've saved that to my computer, I can go ahead and take that file and share it to a service like Google Drive so that I can now share this screencast with my learners or their parents. Now that my file's in Drive, I can go ahead and grab the link, sharing it as a viewer file for people at PVSD or to anyone with the link if I'd like parents to also be able to see that. I'll copy this link and place it in Schoology or Class Dojo for easy access. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.